araw-arawin na talaga natin tong reaction video na to. Kasi naman, araw-araw din yung ayuda. Paanong hindi? So, for tonight's video, BINI will release their official lyric video ng Shaggy D. So, Blooms are all excited for this surprise song. Special song na I don't know kung ipe-perform din nila sa world tour nila, but here we are waiting for 1 more minute. It's exactly 9 p.m. So lahat po ay nakaabang na. So let's go. Kaya natin to. Kaya natin tong napakaraming ayuda ng BINI, di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo hindi magpapamiss ng basta-basta ang ating 8. Napakarami ba namang nilalapag? So, ganun din yung Blooms, napaka-busy din. Hala! Sana natutulog pa kayo, Blooms. Matulog kayo ng maayos at baka tumagos tayo sa pader. Naku, sinasabi ko sa inyo. But anyway, ang daldal ko. Because 15 more seconds na lang. Let's go. Here we go.
May laro na lang.
Do you guys know Shaggedy Shabobo? What's that? You might be slick, but you ain't slicker than me. You might be 432.
Oh my gosh.
Rotate that body, then touch your feet. Oh my gosh. Like
Oh my gosh.
Shaggedy Shabobo, Shaggedy Shabobo, Shaggedy Shabobo.
Oh my gosh. Let's go.
But I bet you can dance like this. Watch me snap, now watch me dig. You can't do it like I did. Hot foot rock and a drop real quick. Go ahead to the right, then let's move it. Rotate that body, go put in work.
This gonna go viral, guys. This gonna go viral. Shaggy. I can wait for the dance cover of this. Oh my gosh, I like it. Hey.
She's something clap, then jump. I bet you can't keep up. Nah, I bet you can't keep up.
Let's go.
She rock and snap.
All right, Mika Lim.
I bet you won't be me. Nah, I bet you won't be me. Watch me.
I love that part. What dance? I'm excited. Oh my gosh! Walang mali sa'yo, Mika Lim. Oh my gosh! Guys! What is that? I love that. I think it's gonna go viral, guys. I like the beat. That short? How many minutes yun? So, wow, that was so nice. Feeling ko talaga, it's gonna go viral. Ang saya parang mapapasayaw ka Pag naglabas sila ng dance cover, sasayaw talaga ako. Hoy! Tama na. Baka kung ano pa yung masabi ko. So, thank you for joining me, Blooms. I hope you enjoyed that Shaggy D official lyric video. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Mag-Twitter party na tayo dahil They need to be trending. This one needs to be trending because it's really good. I really like it. My gosh. So, ilabas niya yung dance cover. Dahil sinabi ko, sasayawin ko to. Hoy, baka naman mahirap. Babay na nga.